Welcome to this toolbox talk on housekeeping. A work area that looks fairly neat and clean, with unused equipment, tools, and materials stored in its proper place, is usually a safe work area. In this toolbox talk, we will discuss about various tips of housekeeping, and the benefits of good housekeeping, in order to prevent accidents at workplace. We all know that a safe work area is an efficient and productive work area. It begins with good housekeeping habits, which we all could improve on. Poor housekeeping contributes to slips, trips, and falls. Everyone on the job site is responsible for keeping work areas clean and safe. Everyone on the job site must work together to prevent accidents. Workplace housekeeping is an ongoing activity in which every member of the job force does their part to ensure a clean, clutter-free work environment. Few housekeeping tips that are to be maintained for making a workplace effective. Keep work areas clear of debris that creates a tripping hazard. Throw away trash promptly and properly. Be sure that hazardous trash goes in proper containers, incompatible trash in its containers, etc. Trash should also be emptied frequently. Don't let grease or dirt build up. They are not only fire hazards, but are also bad for the equipment. Keep approaches to fire extinguishers and first aid kits clear. Keep food, drinks, and cigarettes out of the work area. They can be contaminated by chemicals, attract bugs, and add to the clutter. Keep cords, wires, and ropes untangled. Make sure all containers and materials are labeled. Dust or wipe lights occasionally. They can also build up heat and may even become a fire hazard. Report holes, loose boards, and other flooring problems so they can be fixed before someone trips and gets hurt. Put tools away after use. Keep loose material and supplies away from stairs. Here are some of the many benefits that can be attained when implementing good housekeeping at workplace. Reduced handling to ease the flow of materials. Prevent minor injuries like cuts, punctures, slivers. Fewer tripping and slipping accidents in clutter-free and spill-free work areas. Decreased fire hazards. Lower worker exposures to hazardous substances, for instance dusts, vapors. Better control of tools and materials, including inventory and supplies. More efficient equipment cleanup and maintenance. Good housekeeping are the key to safety. Cleanliness, order, and a place for everything. It's not really very hard to keep your work area clean, uncluttered, and safe, and it makes for much more pleasant and productive working conditions. With this, we end this toolbox talk on housekeeping. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.